Now let's have question number 33. The question says 3 capacitors of 4 microfarad, 8 microfarad, and 12 microfarad are connected in parallel, and a potential difference of 6 volts is maintained across each capacitor. Find the total energy stored in the system. So let's take note of this key point first. Connected in parallel. Okay, so we need to consider the connection. So 4 capacitors, 4, 8, and 12 are connected in parallel. So for parallel connection, the effective capacitance, okay, the effect of the total capacitance will be the addition of all the 3 capacitors. Okay, so because they are connected in parallel, so we have to add up. Okay, so we have 4 plus 8 plus 12, and that gives us that's 24 microfarad. Okay, so that's 24 microfarad. So that's the effective capacitance in parallel. Okay, that's the effective capacitors in parallel. Okay, now the next thing to do is now to we are given a potential difference of 6 volts, so the V is given as 6 volts, and we're asked to find the total energy. So from the formula, total energy stored in a capacitor is given as half, okay, C times V squared. Okay, so applying this formula, we have our effective capacitance, which is 24 microfarad. Okay, so we can also convert the micro there to 10 to the power minus 6, and then multiply by the potential difference, which is 6. Okay, so if we punch our calculator, okay, and I can even divide, so 2 here and 2 here is 12, so 12 times 6 is actually 72, so I have 72 multiply 10 to the power minus 6 joules. Okay, so basically looking at the option, we can vividly say our answer is option B, because when I take this on to, when I shift the decimal point to the back, I have 7.2 and then 10 to the power minus 5 joules. Okay, so the answer there is option B. Okay, option B is the answer.